For this part of our lesson, you're going to need our balloon car brainstorming guide. So get that out of your folder now. So now that we have talked about our first step, which is making sense of the problem, now we are going to move on to our second step, which is brainstorming our possible solutions. So before we can think of our solutions, we need to look at all of our materials. Let's take a look at our materials. So we have 4 balloons, 1 roll of tape, 1 piece of cardboard, 3 straws, 1 bendy straw, 6 popsicle sticks, 3 dowel rods, 4 discs, 2 pipe cleaners, and 4 beads. So now that we have looked at our materials, we can now start brainstorming about possible solutions. So first I want you to think about what makes a car. Think about what you already know about cars and what ways that you can use that in your design. So we are going to fill out 2 separate ideas. The first, you're going to look at what idea you have to solve the problem, what materials you might use, and how you will use them. And then I would like you to draw a picture of your design. And you're going to come up with 2 different designs. And then for those 2 different designs, you're going to think of the strengths and weaknesses of each design. After you come up with your ideas, I want you to star which idea you want to use for your experiment.
Once you get done with your worksheet and you star which design you want to build, you will take all the materials that were in the bag and you'll go ahead and build your design. Take a minute to pause the video and build your design now. So once your design is built, the third step is to test and improve your solutions. As engineers, you want to test your solution as many times as you can to spot weaknesses within your test. Okay, so now we're going to test my car. While I'm in here, I'm going to use this balloon pump, but if you're at your home, you can use your mouth to try and blow up the balloon. So let's try the first test and see how it goes. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's maybe move it. Okay, so what do we think the possible weaknesses for my car are? So a couple weaknesses from my car, if you noticed, were it didn't really move. So I think personally one of the ways I can improve my design is to maybe secure the balloon on just a little bit tighter onto the straw. So once you test your design, I want you to think about things that you can improve within your own car to try and see how to make it better. Next, I want you to get out the toy car that was also given to you out of that bag. Once you get it out of that bag, I want you to just go ahead and play with it for a couple minutes, and then you will be racing the 2 cars side to side. Once you get done creating your car and racing it, you will click the Almost Done tab up on the top of the screen.